There was heavy rain and gusty wind yesterday, the 5th August 2020. A tree fall in front of our house. This is a tree fallen on two cars. One car is there, one car is under the tree. This tree is fallen. I already given complaint to the department, but they have not taken any action. Tree trimming. So all these trees are very weak trees. It may fall at any time. I don't know how much damage it has caused to that car. We can see. See, this car is inside. It is visible. This is Mr. Kulkarni's car. How much damage it has done, I don't know. Very sorry, Mr. Kulkarni. I feel sorry for that. This is Mr. Bhaskar's car. Bhaskar is not using this car. Okay, my dear tree, don't fall on our cars and make damages. We are your friends.